So hey guys, today we're going to teach you on what does the MYF mean, and what it means is that with this MYF, which you have been seeing on the Snapchat application over text, and you've been wondering what it actually means. So I'm going to tell you what it actually means, and what it means is miss your face. So we can actually use this chart as an example, and we're going to write MYF bestie, something like that, and then you are going to tap on the send. And so, as I have told you, MYF just only means miss your face. So you can use this to send it to your friend that has been offline for some time, or to your best friends that you miss seeing them. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.